welcome back to Simple Cooking Made Simple with Carolina Chef. Today we made a salmon stuffed with Boursin cheese and crab. This is an easy recipe. Prep time, cook time, you're looking at about 30 minutes. It's pretty simple and it tastes so good. You won't want to miss this video, so keep watching to get the full recipe. So let's get started. So I have lump meat, crab meat that we'll use for this stuffing. I have already chopped some green onions. I'll add some of those in there for some extra flavor and some color. Just a little bit of fresh parsley. Then I have a mix of garlic powder, seasoning salt, pepper, some thyme, and smoked paprika with a little bit of Old Bay in that mix. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then the best ingredient of all, the shallot, chive, Boursin cheese. So we'll take this out of the wrapper and just drop it in there with the crab. And with the crab, it is 6 ounces. So we're gonna take a whisk and kind of start breaking this cheese up. And you can tell that it crumbles real well. And we're just gonna mix this in with the crab. And this is what we will stuff the salmon with. And you don't wanna break it up, stir it around too much because you want your crab to stay a nice lumpy, so you get the flavor of the crab when you're eating this. So we're just gonna get that out of the whisk. And see, it didn't take very much to get that mixed up and get that cheese broke up. So we'll take and set this to the side and start stuffing our salmon. So we have our salmon, and I have left the skin on. Move our plate over, and we're just going to take and cut this in about 3 portions. And then we're going to make a slit in the middle of each of these and stuff it with a crab and Boursin cheese mixture. So I'm not going to go all the way down to the end. I'm going to leave probably about 1 inch or so on both sides. So you can tell that I've cut that all the way down to the skin. The skin kind of helps hold that together. So now we're going to take, this is a 2-ounce scoop, and I'm going to put 2 scoops in each slit. This piece is a little smaller, so we'll just do about 1/2. And then we want to mash that in there a little bit. And while you're doing this, you want your oven preheating around 375. And we're going to cook this into an internal heat of about 145. So I have a greased sheet pan that we'll put our salmon on. And then we'll season and butter our fish. And you can put the butter in with the crab if you want. I'm not right now. I'll probably add a little bit more butter to this as it cooks. And then I'll add the butter to the top of the crab and Boursin cheese mixture. And then we're just going to sprinkle the spices. And you can put this on kind of thick if you want to, or lightly. I like the color of it. and also the flavor. I think you will as well, especially with the Boursin cheese and the crab. And then we'll throw on some more parsley. And we'll stick this in the oven. So our crab stuffed salmon, we just pulled it out of the oven. It was in there for 20 minutes on 375. We're going to take this off, set it on our plate. Oh, it looks so good. It smells great. We're going to taste test this, see how it is. See, it's nice and juicy. And the crab mixture, the cheese is melted. It's almost like a crab dip inside of it. So then you can just kind of get a little bit of that, a little bit of that salmon. Oh, that looks so good. Wow. That is awesome. You guys have got to try this recipe at home. You will not be disappointed, especially if you love crab and salmon. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so good. Well, guys, I hope you try this recipe at home. It doesn't take very long to prepare it. Probably looking at maybe 5 to 8 minutes prep time. Cook time 20 minutes, and then you've got a wonderful, wonderful dinner to eat. So on the other hand, we want to thank you for viewing. Please do the 3 S's, smash that like button, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. Hey, TikTok, guess what we're doing today? We're stuffing some salmon with a little crab and some Boursin cheese. So good. If you want to see the rest of this video, please come to YouTube. Find Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef. Come check us out, and we'll make your tummies love you.